Welcome to this guide on integrating the Schlage Encode Plus smart lock with Apple HomeKit. The Schlage Encode Plus smart lock integrates seamlessly with Apple HomeKit, allowing you to control your door using your iPhone, Apple Watch, or Siri. This video will guide you through the setup process, enabling you to use Apple HomeKey for keyless entry and remote access to your lock. Before you begin setting up your Schlage Encode Plus with Apple HomeKit, ensure you have all the necessary components and meet the requirements. First, you'll need a Schlage Encode Plus smart lock. This Wi-Fi-enabled deadbolt provides the foundation for your smart home security system. You'll also need an iPhone XS or later running iOS 16 or later. This ensures compatibility with Apple HomeKit and HomeKey features. A stable Wi-Fi network supporting both 2.4 and 5 GHz frequencies is essential for reliable connectivity between your devices. Finally, you'll need a HomeKit hub such as a HomePod, HomePod Mini, or Apple TV to enable remote access and automation features. Make sure your Schlage Encode Plus firmware is updated to version 4.1.2 or higher for optimal performance, security, and compatibility with the latest features. Open the Apple Home app on your iPhone. Tap the plus icon and select Add Accessory. Scan the QR code located on your Schlage Encode Plus lock or its packaging. Follow the on-screen prompts to connect the lock to your Wi-Fi network and add it to your desired HomeKit home. During the setup process, you'll be prompted to enable Apple HomeKey. Follow the instructions to add a digital key to your Apple Wallet. This allows you to unlock your door by simply tapping your iPhone or Apple Watch against the lock. Ensure Express Mode is enabled for seamless entry. In the Apple Home app, you can configure user access and share home keys with family members or trusted individuals. First, open the Home app on your iPhone and tap the Home icon in the top left to access home settings. Select Invite People to add family members or trusted individuals to your home. You can grant them specific permissions, such as the ability to unlock doors remotely. To share a home key, go to the lock settings and select Share Key. You can send the key directly via iMessage to the person's iPhone for easy setup. You can revoke access at any time by returning to the user settings and removing the person's permissions or deleting their home key from your home. This setup ensures secure and convenient access control for your smart home. HomeKit allows you to create automations for convenient door control. For example, set your Schlage Encode Plus to automatically unlock when you arrive home based on your iPhone's location. You can also use Siri for hands-free control. Simply say voice commands like, "Hey Siri, unlock the front door," to lock or unlock your door remotely. If you encounter connectivity problems, ensure your lock is within Wi-Fi range and that your HomeKit hub is online. For minor glitches, reset the lock by holding the reset button for 10 seconds, then re-add it to the Home app. Regularly check for firmware updates in the Schlage app to maintain security and performance. To keep your smart home secure, start with enabling two-factor authentication for both your Apple ID and Schlage account. Two-factor authentication requires a verification code in addition to your password, making it much harder for attackers to gain access. Avoid common passwords and use passphrases or password managers to generate and store strong, unique passwords for each account. Regularly audit your shared home keys through the Home app and Schlage app. Remove access immediately when someone no longer needs it. Physical security is just as important as digital security. Ensure your home's physical barriers are strong and don't leave spare keys accessible. Enable the auto lock feature in the Schlage app to automatically lock your door after a set time, providing peace of mind and enhanced security.